Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you are here. This is kind of a bonus video because I wasn't sure when this was gonna come, and so I had already scheduled out all of my videos, so I thought I would just throw in an extra one since I cut back on Wednesdays starting this month. So you get one Wednesday video for me this month because it is an unbagging of the Macy's Beauty Box. But this is what the Macy's Beauty Box looked like inside. And Ipsy, just the plain old glam bag. Ipsy is now $13 a month, if I remember right. I did a year, so luckily I got in before the price went up. And then Macy's is $15 a month, and you do get a certificate with it. And I've already used my certificate this month because I had an opportunity to use it. So let's start with Ipsy. This is this month's bag. It has little lips on it. It has like some green detailing. I like the little zipper pull as a lip. And then the back is just plain. Inside, it's just, you know, plain. You see the zipper and that's about it. Let's pull out the card. And this month it has things listed. That is so exciting. So we're gonna pull out the first thing, and this is from REALHER. It is Not Your Average Power Wear Blush, and that's what it looks like. It's a pretty color. It looks like a nice color. Yeah, pretty subtle. Not anything overly done, but I think it will be a nice blush, and it's at least a practical shade that I can wear in real life, which I appreciate. That one does not list what the price is, but the full size, which I'm assuming is part of a palette, retails for $20. Then I have a full size lipstick. This is from the brand Sugar, and it is Mauve Mama, which is kind of an interesting shade. I can't decide if I like mauve or not. I still am trying to decide if I like this lip color or not. It's a little browner than I normally go for. Thought it was going to be a little bit more rosy when I got it. So this is what the lipstick looks like. Oh, that is, I don't know. That does not look like mauve to me. I'm not going to swatch that. I am going to just put this in like a pass along or to sell pile because I haven't touched it. So I don't think it's a color I will use, and I have so many lipsticks. I'm in the middle of trying to do a declutter and a tier so that I can do a ranking video, and I don't need that one. It retails for $15.99, which is kind of like an average. It feels like in between the like drugstore and high-end price. From GOLDFADEN MD, this is the Solution Dr. Scrub Ruby Crystal Microderm Exfoliator. And this retails for $38 for a full size, and this is like a 1/10 of the full size. So not too bad. I will definitely use that. I do like Microderm exfoliation, and I do that occasionally. All right, we have a brush. This is from F.A.R.A.H. It is a concealer brush, and it retails for $10. I might give this a try. It might be something, because I don't use concealer brushes, but I wonder if I could use it for my eyes. I don't know. Anyway, not too bad. Let's see. Our final item is, this is what I chose. This is the Skincare Pistachio Hand Cream. Retails, for full size is $18. I was like, this cannot be an $18 hand cream. Like, what? I will say this does not feel very full, like at all. That is what it looks like. It is very green. It's very, like, it doesn't really smell nutty, I guess, to me. It smells more like a bakery, which I'm not a big fan of bakery scents. They kind of make me feel a little nauseated. Overall, not too bad of a bag. I mean, I will definitely use the hand cream because I need hand cream, and I go through it on a regular basis. Not too bad. Not the most exciting box. Nothing in here that I'm like, oh, I'm so excited and I can't wait to use it. There's a couple staples. There's a couple things that I'm thinking about passing along or will pass along, and then you have the hand cream. All right, next up we have Macy's Beauty Box. You always get a little flyer like this. It does tell you the price of everything, shows you pictures, and this month it had a $5 off of a $20 purchase, which, like I said, I already used it, and I can take that and use it in store if there's something else that I want to pick up. You can do that as well. one thing fell on the floor. That is this Kiehl's. This is the Retinol Skin Renewing Daily Microdose Serum, which sounds good. I will definitely use that. I like retinol. Let's see. Oh, that's not too bad. A full size of this retails for $60, so that's not actually a bad price, like, at all for retinol. So that's a nice one. And then this is like what's replacing the bag this month, and I really wish they would stop this. I'd rather just have the bags because Macy's has some really nice bags over the years. This is a like Goss, Schwa, whatever. It is not rose quartz. It's plastic. Like, if it was actual, like, stone, that would be different, but I don't want just a piece of plastic because, honestly, like, part of this is, yes, you can use it to drain, but it's also supposed to be the healing properties of the stones, and obviously plastic does not have healing properties. I'm sorry, it doesn't. So not excited about that. Kind of wish they wouldn't have done that. We have Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I don't know what to think about this mascara anymore. This used to be my favorite. I did so well. And then last month I told you that I was having so much irritation with my eyes and stuff. And I don't know if it's this. I don't know if it was just like everything that was going on like environmentally. If it was the eyeshadow I was wearing. I mean, obviously not constantly. But yeah, I'm going to leave this one in its package for now. And I'm going to use another, I have 1 or 2 tubes that I'm not, it could be that it was an older tube too that I was having issues with. So I'm going to try out some other ones and then we'll decide on that. Otherwise I would be super excited. But after this last month, I'm not really sure what to think. We have from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a Brow Wiz. I don't use Brow Wiz. I don't really do anything to my brows. I do a little clear, and I even forgot to put clear brow gel on today. So I should say that size of the Tarte mascara is $12. This retails for $23 for the full size. Then we have a eyeliner, and I think this is probably just in black. It's 3 Inna. It does not like say on the outside. It just says 24-hour pen eyeliner. I don't do eyeliner. I keep having the best of intentions of using eyeliner, but I never do. So this does look like a full size. It retails for $14.50. Not too bad of a price, but not something that I will use. Then we'll do the perfume samples. I have Calvin Klein Defy, which is a men's cologne. Let's see. This is bergamot, vetiver, amber. Kind of nice combination, but I'm not really I'm not a big vetiver fan, so not seeing that would be a good one. And then Daisy, it's kind of like the old standby. It's been around forever. If you haven't smelled it already, where have you been for the past decade? This is, it doesn't really tell you what the notes are, so I'm just going to ignore it. Those retail for $108 for a 3.4 ounce of Daisy, which you can definitely find like in any discount place. Fragrance Net, it's been around forever. You're going to find it on discount. Calvin Klein retails for $88. Then we have, let's see, Perricone MD High Potency Growth Factor Firming and Lifting Serum. I think I've tried this before. It retails for $129 for a full size. Dang. Okay. We'll definitely try that one. And then I have these Blemish Patches from CosRX. These are retail for $5. I'm pretty sure I've used these before and they're fine. I don't get as much help from the hydrocolloid active ingredient as the ones that are actually like, and this doesn't even tell you. I do like that they give you different sizes, but I feel like the Peter Thomas Roth ones have an active ingredient in it that I really use and like really helps with my acne. I think the zit stickers do the same. I don't get as much help from the other ones. So I have everything on this tray in front of me. What will I keep? What will I use? What am I excited to use? So things I won't keep. Eyeliner, Macy's. Brow gel or Brow Wiz, Macy's. Not excited about those. Lipstick, won't use that. Ipsy. Perfumes, Macy's, won't use those because the one, like, give us something new. There's so many new perfumes. Give us something new. Give us, did they give us La Belle last month? I can't remember. Give us La Belle. Like, that would be amazing. Retinol, keeping, Macy's. Lifting Serum, keeping, Macy's. Microderm Abrasion, keeping, Ipsy. Hand Cream, keeping, Ipsy. Not as exciting. Blush, keeping, Ipsy. Ones that I'm not sure about. I'm going to try the brush, but then I'll pass it along if I don't like it because brushes are easy to disinfect. Oh, gua sha thing. It's not even written down, so I can't even like try to like remember what it's called. Not keeping. Don't like that. Maybe with the mascara, we'll see what happens. So I feel like half of this I'm automatically passing along because I'm not excited about them, and they're things that I won't use at all. Let me know if you got a better Ipsy than I did. What did you get in your Ipsy? Just tell me, no matter what, whether you liked it or not, let me know down below. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.